Want to know how to change your theme in Kimi AI on your phone? Well, no worries. So there's a different procedure in phone, but the process is somewhat similar but different at the same time. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change your theme or your appearance in Kimi AI in just under a minute. So let's get straight to it. So first things first, you can just simply open up the Kimi application on your phone. So we have also created a video on how to download and install Kimi AI, so make sure to watch that. So once you've done all of that, here should be seeing this interface right here. So now, once you're on this interface, on the top left side you should be seeing this 3 hamburger icon right here. Just simply click that, and now once you've selected the hamburger icon, here on the top you should be seeing your profile right here. Just simply click that. So now, once you're under your profile, here you should be seeing various options. Now scroll down until you see theme settings right here. That should be right below general. So once you have selected theme settings, here you can see you can follow the system, that is light mode, dark mode and most mode, and that's it. This is how easy to change it. So if the changes do not happen, make sure to restart it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.